Okay guys, from here we are just arrived in Ottawa and we are here at the side of the Parliament Hill. So, ang ganda po dito guys. For your information, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. So, ayan po guys yung side ng the House of Commons. Ayan, ang ganda po ng kanyang view, Mala Castle. At ayan po guys, pupunta tayo sa bandang yan mamaya. So, dito ko muna ipapakita sa inyo ang napakagandang view. So, ito po yung river guys. Ito yung gap ng Ontario at Quebec. Ito yung river na kung saan ay pupunta po tayo dyan. Dito guys, pupunta po tayo dyan mamaya for our cruise. So, that bridge there is called Victoria Bridge. I think we have been passing that bridge before, but for this time we are not because we have limited time to look around. So, ayan guys, ang ganda po talaga ng view. At iyan po yung river na kung saan ay pagitan ng Ontario and Quebec. So, ito guys. So, nandito po tayo sa may Parliament Hill. So, ang ganda po talaga ng view guys. At dito po ay maaraw, samantala sa Montreal ay maulan. So, that's the difference. So, but for now guys, and I'll see you. I'll show you more. So, ayan guys, we have to move along dahil marami pa po tayong papasyalan for today. So, Greg is, I think, looking for me. So, here we are.
Ayan guys.
And I think that building behind us is the House of Commons. So, it's a castle look guys. It's very beautiful. And once again guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys. We'll show you more, of course. Thank you once again for watching. Cheers! So, ang ganda po ng weather today guys. Tapos na tayo doon. Kaya tayo ay pupunta na dito sa may pinaka-entrance. At titingnan natin kung ano yung mga buildings na nandirito guys. So, ito po yung Parliament Hill na kung saan dito nakaupo o nagtatrabaho ang ating President or Prime Minister dito sa Canada. So, we are here at Parliament Hill, Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. So, ayan guys, maraming mga tao ngayon dito. At kasama natin mostly sila sa ating tour bus. So, bababa na tayo guys para pupunta sa may entrance. At titingnan kung ano pa yung ating mga makukunan doon for remembrance natin dito sa ating tour in Ottawa. So, ang ganda po ng weather talaga guys. As you can see, blue na blue ang kalangitan. Ayan. Nice. Thank you for watching.